Fruits give us energy and make us strong. So let's make some of these delicious fruits today. We'll start by making the king of the fruits, mango. First, draw a circle. Now, with the help of a marker, start tracing the circle. At the bottom, draw a curved line like a letter C and join it with a circle like this. Also trace the remaining circle. Then draw a small U at the top of the mango. Now make two curved lines for the stem and join them at the top. After that, draw a leaf with a curved line starting from the stem like this. Also draw the inner lines of the leaf. This completes a mango drawing. Let's start painting. You may also color with crayons. First, leave some white portion for the light part of the mango. Now paint the rest of the mango with yellow color. Now paint a light yellow color in the gap left earlier. Then paint the stem and the leaf in green color. And a mango is ready. Now we'll make grapes. Start by drawing a long triangle with pencil. Now, with the marker, make circles inside the triangle like this, close to each other. Some full and some half. Also draw the stem of the grapes like a letter T. This completes our grapes drawing as well. Come, let's paint it together. You may color it with green or purple. Color it fully without leaving any gaps. Don't forget to color brown inside the stem. Now let's make a banana. Start by drawing a moon shape with pencil. Then with marker, trace the moon shape roughly. Give a nice U curve at the bottom and trace the rest of the moon till the top. Now, at the top, Make straight lines like this and close it to make the stem. At the top and the bottom of your banana, make dark spots and color it with black or brown color. After that, draw a curved line in the center. Also make some spots and marks like this on your banana. This completes our drawing of the banana as well. Let's color the whole banana in yellow color. We have made 3 fruits today. See you next time. Goodbye.